Let me tell you why it's a good thing when you see rats. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series. That and so much more is over at ShadowAnyone.com. Check it out. Today I'm speaking primarily to my brothers and sisters in security, but private investigators and process servers. This is something that can be helpful to you too, and it's about why I love rats. Now, my primary experience with these little critters are in the city. So really, I'm talking about alley rats. That's where I see it. But here's the thing that's good about them. If you're going into an alley, and now this is as a security guard, maybe you got to go through there as a private investigator to investigate some insurance fraud or a crime scene, that type of thing, whatever it might be. When I go into an alley and I see a rat or two or three, and then they see me and they scurry away, I like that. And the reason is because I know there's no other human beings back there, right? If they're going to scurry off when I show up, that means they would have already scurried away when there's someone else back there. I'm not worried about the rats. I'm not afraid of them. I'm not scared of them. They're not going to hurt me. Another human being, that might hurt me, right? Apex predator on the planet. But if I see the rats back there and when they scurry off, that tells me I'm alone in that alley, and that's a good thing for my safety. Now, I want to be perfectly clear. Home rats and domestic rats, pet rats, super cute, love them. Alley rats, city rats, sewer rats, probably country rats too, I don't know, but I know alley rats and sewer rats. They're vermin. So I'm pleased to see them because it talks to me about my safety, but they are vermin that should be eradicated. Make no mistake about it. If you know of any other wild animal type things that can help us in the security and investigation world, a tip or an idea or an experience, I'd be really interested in hearing about that. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.